Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing for you for a nice pair of shoes from 4F. These shoes are called 4F Lifestyle Rapid. Let's say some little words about the 4F brand. The 4F brand was established in 2003 in southern part of Poland in a city called Wielice or Wielica. I don't know the correct pronunciation, so I'm sorry to my Polish friends if I said something bad. So, the 4F brand, they are making and selling sportswear products like shoes, jackets, winter jackets, ski jackets, trekking shoes, lots of stuff, and also accessories. I found this brand random on Instagram. It was like a commercial, and I said, okay, let's see what they are selling. And I found some nice products on their website. The first product that I bought from them is this pair of shoes called 4F Lifestyle Rapid. It's a regular pair of shoes, in my opinion. It's nothing so special or technical, but I like a lot that they have like this big outsole. They have this, they are built with neo-dry membrane for waterproof and windproof. So it's a very nice thing to have this membrane, in my opinion, because you can wear them in all kind of weather conditions. They have also some reflective elements here where it's written 4F. Also here where it's neo-dry, all these elements are reflective. So they are coming like this in this box. But what I want to let you know, guys, is that for their pair of shoes you need to order with one size bigger than you are usually wear. Because usually I wear size 9, and for this one I have 9.5. In the beginning, the first order that I made for this pair of shoes, it was size 9, but they were quite small for me, so I tried to order one size bigger. So I bought these ones. They are very good, they fit well, no problem with these ones. And for all their pairs, you need to order like this, with one size bigger than your usual size. I had bought also a pair of trekking shoes, but I didn't have the time to take them out, to wear them and to see how they fit in. So I can't make a review right now for them, but stay tuned on my channel, and in the next weeks I will make for sure a review for them. But for those ones was the same problem. I've ordered size 9, that my usual size, and they were too small, very small. I had problems with my feet in it. It was very, how can I say, not so comfortable to wear them. Not even in the regular days on the street or something. So I've ordered one size bigger. This is the strangest thing on this brand. The size doesn't fit at all, like the normal, like other brands. I used to wear like trekking shoes and boots from Napapiri, and they were fitting very well, the size 9. But for this one, it's not the proper size, so you need to take care when you order. So this is all for today. Don't forget to press the like button, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and to share my videos. Here was Manu, see you soon, bye!